What if I told you there are 3 hidden pronunciation habits almost every English learner makes that instantly tell people you're not a native speaker? You might not even realize you're doing them. Stick around because we're going to uncover these secret pronunciation pitfalls and give you the exact techniques to overcome them so you can sound more natural and confident. Chapter 1. Why Pronunciation Matters. Let's start with this. English pronunciation isn't about sounding perfect. It's about clarity, confidence, and connection. When you pronounce words more clearly, people understand you better. You feel less nervous. Your message gets across. That's why pronunciation is key to fluency. Think of pronunciation like music. If you hit the wrong notes, even the right lyrics sound strange. Same with English. Wrong sounds confuse the listener. Here's the truth. You can learn thousands of words, but if your pronunciation is off, people may still not understand you, and that can really damage your confidence. But don't worry, we're not here to criticize. We're here to fix. And the good news is, you don't need hours a day. Just 10 focused minutes with the right method can make a huge difference. Chapter 2. The 3 hidden pronunciation mistakes. Let's talk about the 3 hidden pronunciation habits that most learners don't even realize they have. Mistake 1. Overpronouncing every sound. The robot voice. Many learners pronounce every syllable too clearly. Like this, I want to go to the market. It sounds robotic and unnatural. Native speakers often reduce or link sounds. Technique. Learn linking and reductions. Examples. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Did you becomes did ya. Practice. Repeat after me. Shadowing. I want to go now. I'm gonna call her. Did ya eat yet? Now, try it with me slowly, naturally, fast. Did you eat yet? Did ya eat yet? 10-minute practice. Choose 5 common phrases. Speak slowly. Link the sounds. Repeat 5 times daily. In English, some syllables are louder or longer. Wrong stress. Wrong meaning. Example. Record, noun, versus record, verb. Listen. I have a record. Can you record it? Without stress, both sound the same and confusing. Technique. Use a dictionary with audio. Use online dictionaries like Cambridge or Oxford. Check the speaker icon. Mark the stressed syllable with a highlighter. Say it with a beat. Ta-da, da-ta. Practice. Permit, permit. Present, present. Increase, increase. Shadow with me. I need a permit to park here. They will permit us to enter. Mistake 3. Confusing vowel sounds, especially I versus E. This is huge. English has more vowel sounds than many other languages. Example. Ship, I, versus sheep, I. Say these. Bit versus beat. Sit versus seat. Live versus leave. Technique. Minimal pairs practice. Minimal pairs equals words that differ by 1 sound. Practice. Repeat after me. Ship, sheep. It, eat. Bit, beat. Fill, feel. Now close your eyes, listen, and repeat. Tip. Record yourself. Play it back. Compare with native audio. Chapter 3, 10-minute daily pronunciation routine. This is your secret weapon, a daily 10-minute plan. Split it into 3 parts. Number 1. Just like your body, your mouth needs warming up. Do these. Stretch your lips, smile wide, then pout. Open and close your mouth slowly. Say vowel sounds in a row. E, A, A, O, oo. Repeat. E, E, A, A, A. Number 2. Shadowing practice. Shadowing. Equal listening and repeating immediately after native audio. No pausing, no stopping. Source ideas, YouTube videos, TED Talks, podcasts. Example script. Native, I didn't know she was coming. You, I didn't know she was coming. Keep up with the pace, don't worry about perfection. Use subtitles at first, then remove them. Apps, Elsa, Youglish, or simply record your voice. Number 3. Focused sound practice. Pick 1 sound per day. Use these. Th, as in think. The, as in this. Sh, as in she. Zh, as in measure. Use 5 words plus 5 sentences per sound. Example for th. Words, think, thought, theme, thin, thanks. Sentences. I think he's right. Thanks for the gift. She thought it was easy. The theme is interesting. Thin lines are hard to see. Repeat slowly. Quick. Chapter 4. Shadowing. Section. Let's now do 5 minutes of shadowing together. I'll speak. You repeat after me. Start with these basic sentences. I'm going to the store. Do you want something? I didn't see her yesterday. He should have told us. What are you doing tonight? Now let's go a bit faster. She's gonna be here soon. They've already left. We should have planned better. You don't have to worry. Let's do it tomorrow. Focus on linking, reductions, rhythm. Let's try complex ones. If I'd known, I wouldn't have done that. What would you have done differently? She might have told him already. They must have forgotten. Could you've called earlier? Repeat each 3 times. Now you try without my voice. Chapter 5. Motivation plus long-term strategy. Pronunciation is not about perfection. It's about progress. Even native speakers have different accents. Your goal is not to erase your accent, but to be clearly understood. Follow these tips. Record yourself weekly. Use a mirror when speaking. Join language exchange groups. Read out loud for 5 minutes daily. Pick 1 sound to master every week. Use accent journals. Note down what sounds confuse you. Track improvements. Sample weekly plan. Dailicus Monday. Practice Tuesday T and D and th sounds. Wednesday aid stress and rhythm. Thursday filtering TED Talk. Friday record and review yourself. Saturday renunciation quiz. Sunday Incarcerate English TV. Bonus: watch movies with subtitles, then mute, then repeat lines aloud. Best movies for pronunciation. The Intern. Julie and Julia. The King's Speech. Chapter 5.